So, what we're going to do now is kind of work section by section. We'll do another kind of like a polish. So for this section, let's have a look at what we've got. So far, nothing flash. He's walking. I own the prize. I think though we could probably have something a little bit more. So maybe, so we've got two choices. Let's go rotate. We can either go, let me just put that body mesh back into the lower mode. Come on. Oh my goodness. Do I have it? Vincent, there we go. Okay, low. Okay. Now this is the question. What are we going to look at? Should we make him as he's walking? Looking at stuff. So as he walks, why did that not? Because he's got something there. Let's delete and delete and delete. So rotate X, rotate. I wouldn't mind him actually looking at this point. So we'll put the record one. So at this point, let's just press I. We'll save that. So as he's walking, he's kind of just looking at postbox. But this point here, let's go about here. He was actually looking. Oops, was actually looking the other way, wasn't he? Cool. I do like that. So he's looking and then he just comes down, and I think that's a bit too sharp. So let's go into the head. Head. Where are we? Here we go. I'm just going to right click on that. G -5. Let's give it an extra 5 frames. And as he's walking, he's kind of, we're just going to line it up just for the next bit as well. Kind of looking. Hang on. What? So yeah. Okay, let's leave it at that. So he's kind of just like looking around. And let's give him a little bit of life. Sorry, I've got a little bit of a cold at the moment. But that's okay. So what's this? So let's press N. Nope. Let's NT. Let's go into the blend rig, facial 1. So which one's this? I'm a crazy man. So what I might do is I might just select this one as well. So I know at this point we can have him, because is this, that's that, and then when he comes down here, so the eyes get there first. And then kind of like that. That did not work out quite well. Okay, so let's just work with this. So we've got the head. So we just want to move the eyes, probably G2, G2, there we go. So that's what we want. And what we're going to do is he's going to start blinking. Let's get rid of the buildings, which is on the first layer. It's going to start blinking at this point. Where are we? There we go. Okay. Beautiful. So I'm going to get back one. What? 1, 2, 3. And at the third point, we're going to close. And that should be fine. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Alt R, Alt G, Alt S. So now we've kind of there we go. I think though we should be able to maybe even close it a little bit more. Just so it doesn't look like he's squinting. Okay. So, I mean, obviously with this section, we don't actually have to do much. I do, though, like to see what that looks like. So I'm just going to check this a little bit. Then we'll be back in a sec. Okay, so let's go Control F11. It's kind of looking. That's all it is. What's he looking at? Oh, draws focus straight down to here. So let's fix up his hands. I think his hands are the next big problem. They're kind of all mingled. Okay. So what do we got here? What's this hand doing? I do quite like this hand compared to this one, so I'm just going to go copy, mirror. Okay. So something's going on. Let's just get in there. 2, 3, 4. Rotate X. Rotate X. Scale. Now, it doesn't look like he wants to kill someone. A little bit. Looks like he wants to get into a fight. So let's just. Did I grab an extra bone that I did not want to? No. Size. That's a bit weird. Rotate. Oops, let's just go Z a little bit. Oh, that's because it's. There we go. Let's select these bones again. Oh, let's just right click. Okay, how's that hand look? Come on. And, whoops. Just give it a little bit of love. Beautiful. Thumb looks a bit weird. Let's just give it a bit of rotate Z, just rotate it in a little bit. I do think that needs a bit of curve though. Yes, he's doing the whole hand, which is not what I want right now. Kind of just a little bit. So that doesn't look too bad to me. That seems quite nice. So let's go select this one, select that hand, copy, mirror. Yeah, I'll accept that. Okay, so at this point here, I'm going to remove any keyframes. And then at this point here, I'm going to remove any keyframes. Let's copy. Let's paste. Let's mirror that one as well. So now when we come over to this hand, nope, get rid of that one. No, go away. There we go. Let's get rid. Oh my god. There we go. So now we've only got hand. Let's remove that one. Remove that one. Remove that one. Nope, don't remove that one. Copy. Paste. Cool. And I reckon that first bit is done. Let's just jump back into the high. And let's... Oh, that scared me. Had a bit of an out-of-body experience. So let's do another quick pass and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so let's have a look how that goes. Control F11. Yeah, he seems quite nice. Seems much better. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright. Now, just out of curiosity, let's have a look how much grunt this frame is going to take. Okay, so that's what the scene looks like. I reckon we're going to have to change this road. We're going to have to put some lines on there or something, because that does not look right. No, not one bit. But we'll fix that up afterwards. Maybe we might even just put a poster on the background here, or maybe a poster here just to break it up. Maybe a railing here. Yeah, but we'll work that out later. Okay, so that's the first bit done. The next bit, we'll continue on.